This line graph shows the number of viewers in one channel per hour. As we can see, during this year, viewers of 1 p.m. remain constant at approximately 1.3 million. On the other hand, viewers of 11 p.m. reach a peak at 4 million in August. One contrast we can see is that viewers of 9:30 bottom out at August as the opposite of viewers of 11 p.m. Finally, viewers of 6 p.m. were fluctuated downwards all this year. In conclusion, our programming of 1 p.m. is the most constant compared to the others due to the fact that it's the average hour of having lunch.